Why need wheel spacers on Toyota GR Corolla? If you are looking to improve the appearance, handling, and stability of your Toyota GR Corolla, then wheel spacers should be your best choice. Wheel spacers are effective modifications that can transform your driving experience. Wheel spacers are just automobile accessories that install between the hub assembly and the wheel. The wheel locks apply a clamping force to secure the spacer and the wheel to the vehicle hub. If you are investing in new offset wheels, then a set of Toyota GR Corolla wheel spacer will be perfect for those wheels. For the outlook, the wheel spacer increases the stance and aesthetics of your vehicle. By pushing the wheels out further from the chassis, wheel spacer creates a more aggressive and dominant posture for your Corolla. Meanwhile, the performance enhancements improve after installing these wheel spacers, as a wider track reduces body roll during cornering, allowing for a more stable and confident driving experience. For Toyota GR Corolla, known for their performance and reliability, installing wheel spacer can further enhance these attributes, whether it's for daily driving or for performance enhancement. The addition of spacers ensures that the vehicle can handle higher torque levels and provide a smoother, more responsive driving experience. In summary, installing wheel spacers on the Toyota GR Corolla not only safeguards the drivetrain by making it more robust and reliable, but also boosts the vehicle performance, making it an essential upgrade for those looking to maximize their vehicle's capabilities. That's all for today's video. If you have any questions about the BONOSS wheel spacers, please leave your comments. See you in the next time. Bye-bye.